Are you looking for a makeover for your outdoor deck at home or office? I reckon you wouldn't find a better solution than this one. With its state-of-the-art invisible fastener technology and path-breaking Z-profile decking solutions, Barbosa Outdoor Decking has got you covered. Say no to ugly visible subframing, and say yes to enjoying the space just the way you like it. Rainwater drains out easily, while pests and rodents won't make their way into your home. Imagine all of this without the traditional visible nails and fasteners which rust in time. From exotic species to thermally modified wood, Barbosa surely can transform with wood.